Hi, I'm Clara. I study theatre and film at QMU. I'm in my second year and I'm going to show you what my first week back at the uni looked like. And yeah, I'm just going to show you around QMU. I'm going to show you how I get to QMU, mode of transport, and just what my day-to-day activities are like. Enjoy! So I'm gonna get the 4 bus right now, which will take me like 40 minutes or so to get to Musselburgh, right from the city center. So yeah, and I'm gonna take the train another day so I can show you how fast the train is as well. First lecture done, opinions, experiences.
I love that. Oh, that's so good.
10 out of 10, I believe. Finally back home. I just took the bus home and then I chatted to my friend on the street after we got off for like an hour. So that's why it took me so long to get home. And yeah, just gonna chill for a bit. Gonna call my family and hang out with my flatmate. I'll see. It's 7 p.m. probably, and we're at the QMU musical theatre taster session. So I just had the Musical Theatre Society taster session for newcomers and people who want to come to a musical theatre. I've been in MT for the past year. QMU offers so many societies: rugby society, netball, musical theatre, drama, and many more. I personally would recommend to any first year to just join a society. I didn't even like musical theatre that much when I joined. I just wanted to go for fun, and it actually helped me out so much. Most of the friends that I have now, I made through musical theatre. They have socials every week, and there's so many opportunities for you to have fun and meet people. Just go onto the Student Union website and look at sports and societies and see if there's anything that looks good to you. So I'm gonna take the train home now. The train station is literally 30 seconds from campus. Like, you just walk up those stairs and you're on campus. It takes 7 minutes to get from the campus to the center of Edinburgh. It's so easy. Hello, so I just finished at the gym And now I'm gonna go get some dinner and then get ready to go to the musical theater karaoke, the first one of the year, held at Maggie's on campus. I'm really excited to see everyone and to have some fun. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I wish you guys a great academic year. Good luck!